Welcome to the Worldwide Steel Buildings window framing installation video. There are many different window types and sizes available. It is extremely important to review your window sizes and what rough opening size is required for your windows. When considering where to locate your windows on your building, make sure that you take into consideration any wind rods that you have in the wall. You may not want to locate a window where you will have the wind rods passing behind the window. Wind rods should not be moved or removed from the building, as they are a structural component of your kit. When framing a window, you will have vertical jambs on each side of the window, a sill at the bottom of the window, and a header at the top of the window. Identify the location on your building where you want the window to be installed. The jambs will attach to the first girt below the windowsill and the first girt above the window header. As a general rule, Worldwide recommends that windows are no larger than 72 inches wide and 48 inches tall in any given bay. If you have large or heavy windows, or if you have several windows that go in one bay, it's a good idea to consult with Worldwide Steel on your window sizes and locations, as additional support may be required. Contact your sales consultant, who will guide you through the review process. Galvanized track has been supplied for the window framed openings and can be located on your shipment list as shown here. If you will need to cut a Girt For Jam installation, identify the lower Girt For Jam attachment as well as the upper Girt For Jam attachment. Temporarily install galvanized material to stabilize any girts that will be cut for your framed opening. On the girts that will be in the opening, measure the distance of the rough opening width provided by your window manufacturer and mark this on the girts. Cut the girts as needed. Next, measure the distance from the lower girt to the upper girt and add 8 inches to this measurement to determine the jam length required and cut to length. Measure 4 inches from each end and cut the legs at these locations. You can then bend the track so that the legs fold outward to create attachment tabs as shown here. Place one jam inside the opening. If you have cut a girt, it will slide inside the track as shown here. Attach the jam at the bottom tab using 4 Tech screws. Then, ensuring the jam is plumb, attach the upper tab using 4 Tech screws. Using pancake head fasteners, attach any girts to the jams as needed through both legs of the track. Place the second jam in the opening, ensuring the distance between the jams is the correct rough opening width. Plumb the second jam and ensure all connections are made. For the header and sill, you will use a similar method. Measure the distance between jams and add 4 inches to each end for the tabs. This will be the overall length of the sill and the header. Measure and cut 2 pieces of track to this length. You must create a 4-inch tab on each end of the track. Measure 4 inches from each end and cut the legs at these locations. You can then bend the track so that the legs fold inward to create tabs as shown. Place the sill in between the jams at your desired elevation with tabs facing down and attach one tab to the jam using 4 Tech screws. Then, ensuring the sill is level, attach the other tab using 4 Tech screws. Based on the window manufacturer's rough opening height requirement, position and attach your header with the tabs facing up in a similar manner as your sill. Your window rough opening is now complete. Follow the instructions provided by your window manufacturer for proper window installation. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.